Welcome to Kids English Fun Time! Let's learn farm English.
Hello, my dear Lala. The sun is shining so bright today, so let us go into our big green garden to...
Look, Nana. I can see something orange hiding in the dark soil right here. And is this a long and crunchy carrot for our soup?
Yes, it is. And now hold the green leaves very tightly and pull it up slowly to see the beautiful orange vegetable hiding under...
I found some big white onions too. They look very round and smooth. And can we put these into our soup pot today as well? The basket is getting heavy, but I can carry it to the house. And let us go inside and start cooking our healthy lunch now.
Welcome to my kitchen, Lala. It is nice and cool in here, and let us get everything ready to make the best soup ever. Put the basket right here on the table, please. And we have carrots and onions. Now we just need some fresh water and potatoes. Before we cook our food, we must wash everything with clean water to make sure our vegetables are very healthy and very clean.
I am washing the orange carrots now, and the water feels very cold on my hands, and the vegetables look so shiny and bright.
You did a great job washing the carrots, and now let us dry them with this soft towel before we start to peel them.
Now I will wash the round onion very carefully. It is very clean now, Nana. Look at the water and the onion.
Look at this brown vegetable in my hand, Lala. It is a potato. Can you say the word potato for me now?
That is a big brown potato. Potato, potato, potato. I like eating potatoes in my soup.
Let us put all the clean vegetables into this big green bowl. We have carrots, onions, and one brown potato for soup. We need a clean space to cook our healthy soup. I will move these things away so we can work together.
I will choose this very big silver pot for our soup. It is heavy, but I can hold it for us, Nana.
I am filling the silver pot with fresh water from the sink. We need enough water to cook all the yummy vegetables. I will turn on the stove now. Please stay back, Lala. The stove is very hot, so we must be very careful. This is a long wooden spoon for stirring the soup. It helps us mix the vegetables while they cook in the water.
The water is not hot yet. I will sit here and wait for the water to boil.
Is the soup ready yet? Look at the potato, Lala. We use the peeler to remove the brown skin so the potato is clean and ready for our soup. Now I am cutting the orange carrots into small circles. Please be very careful near the sharp knife because
I am putting the orange carrots into the big pot now. They will make our healthy vegetable soup look very pretty and taste sweet. Next, I will add the white potato pieces into the water. The potatoes will become soft and very yummy after we cook them together.
Finally, we add the onions to the pot. Onions give the soup a wonderful smell and a very good taste for us to enjoy.
The soup is starting to bubble now, Lala. We must wait for a few minutes so all the vegetables can become soft and delicious.
I am stirring the hot soup very slowly with the wooden spoon. It looks like a colorful garden inside the pot, Nan.
I will add just a little bit of salt to the soup. Salt helps the vegetables taste better, but we only use a small amount.
Let me taste the soup to see if it is ready. It is very hot, so I must blow on it first.
It tastes great. The soup smells so wonderful, Nana. I can smell the carrots and the onions. I am very hungry and I want to eat now.
I have 2 pretty blue bowls for our delicious soup today. Can you help me get the table ready for our lunch now?
I am putting these bright mats on the big wooden table so we can eat our soup. This looks very nice and clean. Now I will place 2 shiny spoons on the mats. 1 spoon is for me, and 1 spoon is for you, Nana.
Here is some fresh and warm bread to eat with our vegetable soup. It will taste so good with the hot broth. Please sit down on your chair, Lala. The soup is very hot and smells wonderful. We can enjoy our healthy meal now.
Thank you for teaching me how to make this soup, Nana. I am very happy to eat this fresh food with you. This soup is so warm and yummy. The carrots and potatoes from our garden taste very sweet. I love this healthy soup.
We did a great job today. Eating vegetables makes us strong and healthy. I am so glad we cooked together, my dear.